All right, so we're on number 9, and this looks like it's going to be a tough one. Let's see if we can do it, and let's write it down. All right, limit, n goes to infinity, absolute value, and I'm going to write this as, n plus 1 factorial to the 5th power, and then you're going to get, on the bottom, you're going to get 5n plus 5 factorial. And then I'm going to be, dividing it by an or multiplying by the reciprocal. And that's going to be 5n. It's sort of like a deja vu all over again. Over n factorial to the 5th power. All right? And I would take your time doing it. I mean, there's no rush that you look at it. And certainly I want to look at, maybe I should look at these two guys over here first. All right? Doesn't look that bad. All right? And it looks similar to what we did before. So limit, n goes to infinity. And what do you get there? Well, you get 5n plus 5, 5n plus 4, 5n plus 3, 5n plus 2, then 5n plus 1, and then you get the 5n factorial, and that's what's on top, which is the 5n factorial, and that just disappears, all right? So I'll erase that, and let me erase it up here. Let me get my smaller eraser. So that's not bad. That was pretty easy to do. Now I want to do this part now, and it still doesn't look bad to me. And what do you get? I wrote it down. You get n plus 1, factorial over n factorial to the 5th power. And what does it really just give me? It gives me n plus 1, right? Because the n factorial cancel off now, to the 5th power. Let me write that down as n plus 1, n plus 1, n plus 1, n plus 1, n plus 1. All right? So what I'm going to do now is I want to see if I can do that limit. I'm looking at it. If I thought about it, I certainly don't want to expand it, but if you thought about it, what do you get on top? You'd get, you get a 5th degree polynomial. That's the leading term there. On bottom, what do you get? You still get a 5th degree polynomial. So really what I do is, I'm just looking at the coefficients. What's the coefficient on top? 1 of the 5th degree polynomial, by the way. So it would be n to the 5th. There's a 5th degree polynomial there. What do you get on bottom? Well, it's 5n, 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 which is 5 to the 5th. Clearly, this is less than 1. By the ratio test, this series is convergent. And we're done. Thank you.